In this video, you'll learn how to link multiple records on Airtable so your information stays connected and easier to manage. We'll go step by step, starting from opening Airtable in your browser, all the way through creating a linked record field and using it to connect multiple items together. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set this up in any base you're working on. First, open your web browser on your computer and go to airtable.com. Sign in if you aren't already. Once you're in, you'll see your list of bases. A base is like a project or a database that contains one or more tables such as projects, tasks, clients, or anything else you're tracking. Next, open the specific base and then the table where you want to link records. For example, you might open a table called tasks if you want to link each task to multiple projects, or a table called projects if you want to connect each project to multiple team members. The key is to start in the table where you want the new linked field to live. Now look across the top of your table where you see the field names like name, status, due date, and so on. Scroll all the way to the right until you reach the end of the fields. You'll see a plus button labeled Add Field. Click that plus button. This is how you create a new column in your table. When the Field Setup panel appears, you'll be asked what type of field you want to create. Open the Field Type drop-down and choose Linked Record. This tells Airtable that this column will be used to link to records from another table instead of just storing plain text or a date. Next, give your new field a clear name. For instance, you might type related tasks, linked projects, or associated clients. The name should describe what kind of records you're going to connect so it's obvious to anyone looking at the base later. A good descriptive name makes collaboration and maintenance much easier. After that, you need to choose which table you want to link to. Airtable will show you a list of tables within the same base. Click the table that contains the records you want to connect, such as tasks, projects, or contacts. This step is important because it defines the relationship between your current table and the linked table. Once you've selected the table, click Create Field. Airtable will add the new linked record field as a column in your current table. You'll now see that new column header with the name you chose. To actually link multiple records, click inside any cell in this new column. A small window or drop-down will appear, showing records from the table you linked to. You can scroll or search to find the records you want. Click on each record you want to associate. You can select more than one, and they'll appear as separate items inside that cell. If you need to add a record that doesn't exist yet, you can create it directly from this view and then select it. Repeat this for any rows where you want to connect multiple related records. Over time, this creates a powerful web of relationships across your base, making it easier to track connections and get more insight from your data.